Hi, Gabriel and Oswald. This is Devin Norton. Thanks again for speaking to me on the phone earlier, Gabriel. In this quick video, I'm going to give you guys 3 simple tips you can easily follow so you can start beating Newman Roofing Company. If you type in Roofing Columbus OH, these guys show up number 1. I'm going to show you exactly how easy it would be to beat them. I know you're probably asking yourself, Devin, why would you even make this video for us? And it's simple. I found out a little while ago there's lots of roofers that are so busy running their business, they don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more business. And the only thing stopping them from hiring somebody to help them, I just don't know who is an expert and who's not. So what I started doing was creating these attack plans and just giving them away for free. And most people just take this information and do it themselves, and that's awesome. But some people say, Devin, I don't have the time to do this. Can you do it for me? And that's cool too. Whatever you want to do with this information is totally okay with me. I'm only here to educate you and help you make a lot of money. I'm going to talk to you about 3 quick things today: content, backlinks, and citations. First off though, professional website. I love the look of your website. Very, very modern font you have going on here. I love this little personal video that pops up. I don't see this on roofing companies anywhere. I see lots of chat widgets, but having like a personal video from you guys is top tier. And then the whole website just has these nice little subtle animations, these nice little gradients. Like design wise, you guys killed it. It's a fantastic looking website. What Google cares about when it comes to ranking is content, all the stuff you can read. The average website on the front page of Google has 1,500 words of content, and you guys have a lot. You're at 632, so great job. You definitely want to get yourself up to 1,500 words. It's going to allow you to fit in more keywords. A keyword is a phrase somebody commonly types into Google when they're ready to purchase from your business. And I pulled up some for you, so feel free to pause this video or just revisit this so you can fit these inside of your content. For example, Roofing Columbus OH, what I'm using for this video. 500 people search this every single month. Imagine if you were number 1 in front of 500 people every month who wanted to purchase roofing on Google. It'd be crazy, right? It'd completely change your business. And if I go and I search your content, you can see you don't have that anywhere on your front page. You're going to want to make sure that you fit those keywords inside of your content. And you can also save your images as keywords too. So if I can go to can't really see these images. How about this one? Got to find one image. Well, I can't find any images, just the way you guys are designed. So, unfortunately, I can't show you that. But on the back end, make sure your images are saved as these keywords. And that's why it's good to pause this video, because there's so many different keywords here you can fit into all of your different pictures that'll help you rank overall for roofing in Columbus. All right, but that's all I've got for you as far as content. My next tip for you, Gabriel and Oswald, is backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. And this is important because Google's like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of trustworthy and relevant websites vouching for your website. Keep in mind though, like I said, they want to see trustworthy and relevant websites. You're going to get a lot more power with other roofing and construction companies linking to you versus having Pizza Hut linking to you. Google knows you're not a pizza company. So the tool I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. You don't need to pay for this. Just Google backlink checker. You can see the same data for free. It says you have 112 websites linking to you, while Newman Roofing has 178 linking to them. Now, they've done all the hard work for you, because if this 178 websites are good enough to rank them, they're going to be good enough to rank you too. So if I were in your shoes, I would copy them. I would go one by one to each of these same websites and get them linking back to myself the same way they did. And a lot of times it's really easy. Like, for example, Angie, you create a free account. Yellow Pages, create a free account. And on websites like this, you just put a link in your free account or in your profile back to your website. And that's simply, you have a backlink. So it's really easy to do. It just takes some time. But if you beat them in content, plus you beat them in backlinks, those 2 tips alone are enough to get you ranked number 1 organically and start getting all the free business that comes with being there. I've got one last tip for you though. That's how to show up in the map section. If you want to become number 1 in the map section, you need to have more citations than your competitors. A citation is when you list your name, address, and phone number in a directory, which is just a website that allows you to list your business's information, like Angie, BBB, GAF, Yelp, stuff like that. If I were in your shoes, I'd figure out what directories Ramos Roofing was in, put myself in the same ones, and add a bunch on top. So if Ramos Roofing was in 150 directories, I'd be putting myself in at least 300. But that is all I have for you, Gabriel and Oswald. I hope you guys found this video informative and helpful. My goal was to keep it as short and to the point as possible. As a quick recap, you want at least 1,500 words of content on this homepage, and you want to fit in keywords within that content as well as within your images and the title of your website, stuff like that. Like, for example, this title, I didn't mention that. You can also fit it up here. You want to put your, you want to take the websites that are linking to Newman Roofing and get them linking back to yourself. And finally, put your name, address, and phone number in more directories in Ramos Roofing. If you follow these 3 tips, this is how you become number 1 across the entire front page of Google. And now you're probably asking, what do I do now? You have two options. The first one is to take this information and do it yourself. This is a great route to go, and the sooner you get started, the less catching up you have to do because your competitors are already doing this with their competitors. If you have any questions or you want any help getting this done, give me a call, 469-352-2524. I'd be happy to hear your goals and give you a free attack plan on what to do next. Either way, Gabriel, thanks so much for speaking to me on the phone earlier. I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and I hope you have an awesome week. See you later.